देना। मतलब मैं काइंडली सी,
ऐसा कहाँ लिखा है? आपने कहाँ लिखा है कि और भी लोग उनको दिए?
वो हमने नहीं लिखा, हमने तो मांगा अपने लिए।
फिर आप ऐसे कर सकते हैं। सीनियर एडवोकेट, यू शुड नो दी फैक्ट दैट जो प्लीडिंग नहीं है वो बहस नहीं होती है।
Well, I am saying that this order may be request.
ठीक है,
about the P9
लिखिएगा।
Well, मैं काइंडली सी one more thing, मतलब
जी जी,
there is an inquiry against me also.
जी,
there is an inquiry against number 2 also. And the number 2 is in the list.
नहीं, we are not concerned. He is not party to the list.
And इनके नीचे वाला उसके खिलाफ भी, मतलब just to give the advantage of these 3 persons, all this has been managed.
तो चैलेंज करिए उस डिपार्टमेंट, हम लिख देंगे।
उनका चैलेंज है उसमें,
ठीक है,
उसमें चैलेंज है।
चलिए देखिएगा, दिस पिटीशन इज फाइल्ड बाय श्री पीसी तोमर being aggrieved of order dated 7/3/2024 passed by the managing director cum commissioner.
Well, there is a clear violation of the order of this honorable court.
Agriculture Marketing Board, Bhopal, whereby charge of the post of superintending engineer at the headquarters of Bhopal has been given to the private respondent number 3.
Well, इनका पूरा रिटर्न आप देख लीजिए. It is only on this point because he is the senior, the charges he has sent.
गलत कह रहे हैं
पूरा गलत ये है कि इनकी there is no advantage can be given of the senior to him.
बताइएगा कहाँ लिखा है senior ने? पढ़िए.
Yes. मतलब मैं पैरा 4 of the return.
हाँ पढ़िएगा.
That filing a reply in the aforesaid petition, the fact was brought on record that the charge sheet was issued against the petitioner on so and so with the imputation of 4 charges pertaining to.
नहीं, सीनियर है, ये कहाँ लिखा है? उतना बताइए.
लिखा है, आगे पढ़ रहा हूँ ना मैं.
पढ़िएगा, जो रिलेवेंट है उतना पढ़िएगा.
Certain construction work in this structured by the employer. She was also facing inquiry by Lokayukt established. The fact also came on record that the private respondent therein was also facing inquiry and was placed at the honorable court while seeking so and so has observed that no employee has a right to auspicially seek the current charge and the exercise extraordinary jurisdiction notices in call for in the cases. At the time, observing inter alia that the petitioner as well as the private respondent therein both are facing departmental inquiry and this cannot be given accordingly while questioning the order. So and so the answering respondent was given liberty to give the current charge of the post of the superintendent to any other person in terms of the seniority. And considering the circulars issued by the state government from time to time with respect to grant of current charge, noble and vacancy, that the disciplinary proceeding referred to in the aforementioned judgment has been conducted as per the SOD so and so due to opportunity of hearing against the charges proved against him. The petitioner was affected with the punishment of holding statement, effected the recovery of the amount so and so. Punishment is filed here with the next R2. It is submitted next year. It is submitted that the plea of being the senior most in the cadre or the senior to the private respondent in order to establish claim of the current additional charge of the higher post is misplaced and misleading in view of the such charge to the petitioner could not have been given contrary to the clear judicial direction given by the honorable court. It may be appreciated while considering the aspect of giving charge of the post of superintendent engineer in the board under administrative excellency, the aspect of seniority was taken into consideration. The petitioner is the senior most executive engineer is found to be the facing required inquiry as well as the subject so and so. The next incumbent number 2 Salil Kumargar is also found to be the departmental inquiry for the serious charges. Finally, the incumbent number 3 was retiring and so. The incumbent number 4 is private respondent 3 Madhukar Pawar was alone left for consideration.
ठीक है.
So it is the whole.
और कुछ कहना है आपको?
The whole return is on the seniority wallet. ठीक. And that is why wallet this cannot be given to me.
अगर आप रिटर्न सही तरीके से नहीं पढ़ सकते तो बड़ा दिक्कत है.
कौन सी जगह नहीं मालूम.
ऑर्डर में सुनिएगा, अब आप बैठिए और सुनिए ऑर्डर क्या लिखा था. नेक्स्ट पैर. Petitioner's contention is that petitioner is the senior most in as per the seniority list of executive engineers issued on 28/4/2023 annexure P7, in which name of the petitioner appears at serial number 1, whereas that of the private respondent appears at serial number 4. Full stop. It is also submitted that there are 2 other persons senior to the petitioner, to the private respondent, and junior to the petitioner who could have been given charge in place of the private respondent in case petitioner there was any hesitation to give charge to the petitioner. Next para. Exhaustively reading from the order lecture P13 passed by the coordinate bench on 24/8/22 in WP 19765 of 22, Shiv Kumar Upadhyay versus State of Madhya Pradesh and others. It is submitted that the coordinate bench observed that in the meanwhile, the promotion of the private respondents shall be provisional and shall be subject to final decision of this petition. Full stop. It is directed that before granting any further benefit of seniority or promotion to the private respondents, the leave of this court shall be taken. Next pair. In view of such decision, it is submitted that without the leave of that court, no decision could have been taken to give current charge to the private respondent herein. Next pair. Reading from the return filed by the respondent number 2 with an affidavit, it is submitted that the authorities of respondent number 2 have accepted that the private respondent is the senior most person. Full stop. In this regard, para 6 of the return is exhaustively read besides para 4 and 5. Full stop. Para 6 of the return reads as under, within inverted commas, पूरा quote कर दीजिएगा. Thus, it is submitted by Shri D.K. Dikshit, learned senior advocate, that the respondents have conceded